Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email on your Frollo's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your email on Frollo, firstly go ahead and launch open your Frollo application. Enter your passcode and the home page of Frollo's account will appear on the screen. Click on profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. On the next page, edit your email and tap on arrow icon. A verification email will be sent to your email address. Open your email and tap on confirmation mail sent by Frollo. This is how you can change your email address on Frollo's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.